Myself, Bindu. I am from third year CSC A section. Today I am here to tell about the project management in software project management system. Now we can discuss about the line by line about it. So in project environment, balancing of the development and sustainability in India. So in this project environment, it is a balanced environment, a development it will be have, and it has sustainability in India to infrastructure. So in these projects, we have the infrastructures and economical shift, and this presentation that's outlined. So we have challenges and case studies and practice tests and to make the projects salient, complete, and beneficiable for communities of nature. It is very useful to the community of nature, and we can see challenges, case studies, how it will be done, problem solved, and what are the practical tests will be performed in this environment. We can see the one by one. So, why the environment matters in the project? So, in this health and livelihoods, economical resistance, regularity, and social leniences. So, in this poor health, first we can see the health and livelihoods. It is a very important to the human have a very take care about their health. So, in this have a poor air, water, and soil quality, and directly harmful public health and location incomes it will have. So in this nowadays very we have very air pollution by using the vehicles like that. So and water also polluting, and soil also day by day its quality also decreasing, and it's very harmful to the humans. So it is a very it is a one of the main reason to the such type of projects we done. It is very useful to the people. So economic means sustainable designs reduces future recommendation cost and improve the long term returns. So in regularity and the social silence means meeting environment it norms and community expectations, time approvals, and its continuity. So the scale of the environment challenges in India. So in India faces surveying environment pursuits that shape project risk and design choices. So soil degradation means 30% of agriculture has losses manually for recursion, and this neutral depletion and poor land use planning. So it will be soil degradation. Water stress means 40 billion liters of untreated wastewater producing daily in urban cities. So this overloading economic system is the worst. 40 billion liters were wasting in urban areas. So it is the main challenges. Risk also air pollution. Air pollution contributes to the million per minute, and risking of task will be have. And next case study. In this case study, the Mumbai, for example, we can take the Delhi and to Mumbai expressway. It's an environment approach. Now, in this large scale of corridors, often both risk and opportunities. This expressway integrated migration and restoration to reduce the impacts of across 5 states. So in land uses offsets under 50,000 plus acres used to plan and plant 2 million trees with a drip irrigation, and to improve the survival and sequester carbon. So biodiversity of production means wild life crossing under the buffer corridors and near trigger reserves, reduce habit fragmentation and road killer. Water management means it storms the control retention based on the control, and it has to improve in rural areas of water management. So water pollution, for you can take the critical project concern means, so project can either worsen or help to solve the water challenges, design and solve the water challenges. In design choice, determine the public health and economic ecosystem outcomes. So first we can take the sewage treatment gap means only eight to 3,199 towns have the full sewage of treatment systems. Wastewater is untreated contaminated aquifers and rivers. So it is also one of the major critical project. Groundwater vulnerability means 85% rural and 55% of urban drinking water comes from underground sources. Project must be protect the recharge and zones and prevent the contamination. Recommendation means integrate on-site wastewater treatment, constructed wetlands, and regular water quantity and monitoring into the project scopes. So air pollution we can take in the project activities, transport and construction on demonstrating fuels driven participate of the emissions of project choices and reduces these sources sustainability. Clear construction means use the lower emission equipment, dust controls and construct fuel management to minimize the PM and the NOx during the build. Electrical corridors means designing electrical highways and the charging infrastructure for the furnet and the business reduces long-term transport emission. Community fuel transition means support LPG electric cooking programming to cut the indoor pollution from this building, and this all community fuel transition will be reduced. And soil and land management in project means protecting soil quality, preserves food safety and agriculture productivity. Urbanization and industrial runoff create a precedence competition risk. Access to ready-made control, conduct the baseline and soil surveys and make computation hotspots, heavy metals and applying the targeted recommendation, photo remediation, crapping and excavation. Smart land use means a plan buffer zones and preserve topsoil and the discrete green belts and reduce the recursion and main productive land. So integrated sustainability best means green infrastructure, wastewater stability, and community management. In this, green infrastructure means tree plants, drip irrigation, renewable energies, reduce water depend and combat carbon footprint while enhancing resistance. Water means on-site treatment material, reduce and minimizing cuts of population and operating cost. Inclusive construction benefit sharing, reduced conflict, the support and sustainability livelihoods linked to the project. Regulatory framework and global communities. This has a project must align with the national policy and international obligations to approval, financial and social acceptance. So in this IVSF, SFP and a net zero 2070. So next. Conclusion for about this today greenery projects for the sustainable India is a protected and prosper environment stewardship secures the public health and biodiversity and long-term economic values. Projects innovative with the purpose solutions like electrical highways, wild corridors and outside treatment and practical practical benchmark for the sustainable infrastructure. Collaborate earlier means engage regularities, communities, and experts from the planning through the operational and ensure this reusable ensures this durable outcomes. So by this we can see this how the project environment or how the project environment we can take to the to solve the problems in water problem, water challenges and air pollution, water pollution and sustainability about it. So this we can conclude. So thank you.